अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ मेरे खुद की लाइफ में आई लॉस्ट माई मदर 3 years बैक. सो माई मदर वॉज 90 years old. सब कहते थे ओ सो सॉरी, शी वॉज सो लार्ज हार्टेड, जोवियल, सबके दुख सुख में हाथ देती थी, सबके साथ बैठती थी, हंसी मजाक करती थी. मैं क्या भी देखो 90 साल में चली गई. वॉइड विल बी देयर 5-10% कि भाई माई मदर, एंड ऑफ द डे नेचुरली वॉइड विल बी देयर. 90% आई एम हैप्पी. वाई? एक तो 90 साल में गई, विदाउट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन, नो पेन, नथिंग. So I was very happy. Then 2 years back I lost my brother. He was 63.
Oh.
So he had some problem with his sodium and then some organ failure. तो लास्ट स्टेज में उसको आ गया कि भाई he was almost like in a coma for 12 days. He was. तो मैंने डॉक्टर को पूछा भी मैं क्या भी will he come out of it? कहते जी we don't know. He'll be a vegetable. तो मैंने बोला भाई अगर मैं इनकी जगह पे होता, my heart was compromised, my lungs were compromised, my kidney and my liver were compromised, सब में life support. फिर वो गैंग्रीन आ गई थी उनके लेग में, तो लेग would have to be chopped off. मैं कहा भाई अगर पैर भी काट देते चलो I would still like to live, ठीक है प्रोस्थेटिक लगा के, लेकिन अगर मेरे को 3 लाइफ सपोर्ट हैं, मैं बिस्तर से नहीं हिल पा रहा और पता नहीं मैं वेजिटेबल हुआ कि नहीं, तो व्हाट शुड आई डू? आई सेड मेरे को तो ऐसी जिंदगी का फायदा ही नहीं है. So 90% I was happy he's gone. 10% he was my brother at 63 going.
Definitely.
Even worse, 1 year back, I lost my son, 30 years old,
So sorry.
fully fit, running half marathon with me, swimming, gymming, golfing. We were supposed to go to my brother's 70th birthday. He played badminton with his girlfriend. He came in. He had a brain hemorrhage, and within 36 hours he was gone. अब इसमें मैं क्या सोचूं? So the void was there. कि भाई 30 साल का बच्चा, only son. What can I take as positive? So when I took him to the doctor said he's already brain dead, his eyes are dilated, the blood vessel has burst in his brain. It should not happen, but it has happened. It's a freak case. And he will be a vegetable because brain is gone. He's just living on whatever we are doing. So had he been given life support and he had lived 10 years, 20 years, he wouldn't have recovered. He would be a vegetable. तो फॉरगेट फाइनेंशियल बट ऑलवेज मेंटल ट्रॉमा, यार कभी शायद आ जाए, बाहर आ जाए, आप जा रहे हो गुरुजी के पास, यहाँ देर जादू तो ना कर रहे हो. तो आई एम हैप्पी इज गॉन.
So sorry, sir. This is very big loss for you, sir. Sir, have some water, please.
सो दैट्स व्हाट गोल्फ टीचेस यू. फिर मैंने उसके लिए टूर्नामेंट किया अभी, IGU का नेशनल टूर्नामेंट, मेमोरियल फॉर हिम, because he was a national champion in juniors. He had gone to the US, studied. So the learning is never give up. तो मैंने बोला उसके भले से उसी के because of him the foundation was running. He was there helping out, doing all that. So there is some learning from that if I give up, he wouldn't have been happy.
True, sir.
So he has made sure that I stand tall, and even now I'm playing tournaments. I'm saying, okay, it's the wrong thing. That's what I said in the prayer meeting. I said, देखो भगवान जी सबने जाना है. Only thing that you've done wrong, nobody should be allowed to jump the queue. He should be carrying my body, and I was carrying his body on my birthday. So that is a situation which nobody can change. And just 1 year back. So what can you do? Death is inevitable. How do you take a positive out of that? I don't know. But the only positive is that I'm happy because he would have been brain dead. तो 10 साल, 15, 20, 25 साल since he was young and fit and running marathons and swimming and gymming and doing everything, he would have survived. His body would have survived on life support, but he would have been a vegetable because his brain was gone. The blood had done the damage.
आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी सर, आपका बहुत बड़ा लॉस हुआ और मतलब हेड्स ऑफ यू सर, आप लाइक मतलब कहीं
Anyway, so that's what I'm saying. So one is I could have just shut myself and cried कि भाई चलो क्या फायदा जीने का. Other is कि भाई इसमें भी कुछ भला है. Maybe it will give me more time to concentrate on the foundation, look after the 800-900 kids. उनके पेरेंट्स आए, कहते थे आपके तो रोज यहाँ सत्संग होता है और आपने इतनों की मदद की है और आपके साथ 3 साल में 3 लोग चले गए और वो भी आपका बेटा. तो इससे ज़्यादा क्या हो सकता है? सो वन हैज़ टू अगेन सी द सिल्वर लाइनिंग कि यस he may have gone but he's still watching us and seeing the work we are doing.